All in the next. Bye. Whew. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are following me on my Instagram, because a lot of this stuff will Instagram get to see before you guys, and so just follow me on there. So the word of the day is open. So it is open for in my Instagram story. So each day I will put the calendar up. It's a little box up that says, you know, submit the word of the day, and I will choose 7. And the video is up, so you can watch a video. I'm not gonna put it on here. You can see the video on my Instagram. Yeah. See how I'm screwing up? And you can see it on Instagram and submit the word of the day, and we will be doing that. And I will just announce little things as the week goes by, but follow me on my Instagram, because that's where I do a journal mode challenge, and in a community setting. So yeah, other than that, you guys see what I've been doing all day. So my pattern for the day, which is not everything for the week, because I only have 1 week to really work on my mother, but then she texts me today she wants a dress. I can't really do a lot unless she gets somebody to take her measurement, and she doesn't have anything to measure. So I kind of know what my mom's size is, but I don't want to take a chance. So I am going to just work on the bottom of the dress, which is the skirt part, because that I do know her size, and I knew I should have took her measurement for her top when I was home the last time, and I totally just focused on the bottom because I thought that's what, you know, she was gonna get a Christmas dress. Now a skirt. Now she wants a dress, so that's gonna have to wait till I see her to cut her pattern out properly, because you know cutting is not my friend, and I don't want to mess up on her and her fabric. Let me show you her fabric. It's so gorgeous. So this is her fabric. I know she's gonna show up on the camera, but you can see. And I don't know if I have enough for a dress. So what I'm gonna do is probably in the morning cut the skirt out. No, I can't do it in the morning. Sometime tomorrow, or maybe late tonight. Cut the skirt out, and then see how much fabric I have left over, and if it's enough to do the top. If not, maybe go get 2 yards at the fabric place tomorrow. But I'm excited to do her dress. I'm excited. I think I'll do better on somebody else's body, because I can fit it on the person's body, pin where I need to pin, where I need to take away, versus it's so hard to do it on your own body, because you know you can't, certain things you just can't do on your own body. So I think I'm going to enjoy it, but I will definitely give you guys a glimmer of it whenever I get it done and fit her and show you what I was able to do. But I'm excited, but yeah, at the same time I'm like, Mama, you better have a backup. You better have a backup dress just in case I don't do well on this. But she's excited for it, so so yeah. And then I have the cordwood that I cut earlier that you saw. I love this fabric. I have enough to make another skirt if I need to. But this one I want it to be flowy and long so I can see. And I'm going to do zip. I tried zip before, I didn't do well, but I'm going to do some zip action on this, because I want the zip to be in the side so that it can really snug and fit me real well. And I have enough room where it's long but not too long, because the whole idea of that corduroy, because the color, you know, show you, is I just see this color with a sweater top and some boots. That's what I see, and I'm hoping it comes out really good so I can take pictures in it when I'm in New York for the holiday, and be able to like have my somebody's taking some pictures of me in it, so I can have it for my blog. And that might be like a holiday, or maybe my anniversary shoot, because it would be great to say, hey, you know, this is what I did just the progress of something I did in 2021, just to highlight some of the things. And of course I wear my earrings with it. I did this is just very simple, not what is entirely what I was picturing to do, but I kept breaking the wood, and I realized this wood, I'm not buying that again, so I'm gonna have to find another vendor that has wood that's much stronger than this. This wood was not strong at all. But anyway, I did the earrings. They look cute for what I'm rocking, which is a sweater top and that. So I'm happy with that. So the next goal now is I am going to start knitting that blanket. It's probably going to take up, they said it's supposed to take up to 4 hours. There's no way I'm doing it in one day. And then I had to take my word back, guys, because I was being mean. I'm ungrateful. But that toaster plate thing actually wasn't bad. I like that you can do multiple things on there, instead of like I would have to wait till the egg done, I would have to wait till the turkey sausage is done, and then I have to wait till, you know, to do the toast, the bread. I might not even be able to do the bread on there. I would do it in something else. So it's convenient in terms of you can do everything on one thing. So I'm gonna do the same thing for dinner. I'm going to have some salmon steak. I'm gonna do salmon steak on there and some vegetable on the side, and just do it on there and test it out, because I feel like it's convenient. The only problem I have is, where am I putting this when I'm not using it? I don't have a lot of space because of the length, so I'm just like, so I have to figure out where to store it and how to move things around so I can find somewhere to put it when I'm not using it. So yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. So let me go edit this, put this video up, and on my Instagram, because I didn't do live, I recorded and I'm gonna post it. And then I need to put up the questionnaire now so people know. And yeah, so yeah, guys, that's the theme moving forward. I think it's just an important theme to be on right now because of what's going on in the world, and how we always move forward and then something seems to like roll us backwards a little, and we're trying to be positive and live the best life. Some of us are still stuck, but yeah, but journal, you know, just writing your journal sometimes is just such a relaxing thing to do. And I think, you know, a lot of us should write in our journal just to help us cope with everything that's happening. So that's where we're at right now, and I'm going to put this up, and I still have a few hours before today's video will be posted, and then I can start relaxing on my little junky mess on the ground and start making my blanket. I'm excited for that. So, all right, guys. See you in the next clip. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's where I'm at with the blanket, which is not far because I had to start over a certain section because I missed a loop. So let's hope that doesn't happen again. So guys, this is the end of the video. So I'm still watching Harlem, and I have 2 more episodes to watch. It's funny. It's funny. Run the World is still my fave. I prefer that series. Both of them are in Harlem, and I find the characters, the storyline in Run the World is more my cup of tea. But this one is actually good. Harlem is good. I mean, if I had to choose, you know, Run the World. But I like that they have 2 series now to watch. and they all come at different time. So I can't wait for season 2 of Run the World to come out. But Harlem, definitely, I say watch it. It is funny. I would say that. Oh, one thing I could say, the cast, they did a phenomenal job on the cast. I love how down to earth the girls just seem. The cast was just a really good fit. I think the cast is better. Fashion wise, you know, Run the World, they got fashion down pat. And the storyline is getting better in Harlem. I'm going into 9th, and I find they tackle some tough stuff that we all think. So what I would say is, love them both. I love them both. It's good to have choices now. It's good to have choices. So anyway, I'm gonna end this here. Go back to my blanket. I don't know how much I'm gonna get to tonight because I gotta edit this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.